Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So here the situation is changing slowly, starting off the BRICS summit hasn't brought yet any significant action on the markets, and the actual statement that have been done is also can't be called as revolutionary. So approximately everybody in general expects what have been said, but even maybe some more hawkish tone against dollar domination in global finance should be announced, but this hasn't happened yet. It's very careful comments from the members of the BRICS and makes really minor impact on the overall market. Investors gradually is turning attention to the Jackson Hole. So today the Financial Times was an article, we have put it in Telegram as usual. So where it's been said that mostly big banks expect that Jerome Powell will tell higher rates for the longer. And that potentially is a headwind for the gold market, and that's actually why we think that in nearest time until inflation will start rising again, this gold market remains under pressure. So although we see the pullback, but it's close, we're coming to the 1910, 1925 area. These two are our major levels where we have decided to consider possible taking short position. We have to be on guard. So on the daily chart, for example, as you can see, market starts flirting with the MACD predictor. And if today we will get grubber, this might happen that right from the 1910 area, this market could turn down, and actually uncompleted COP that I talked about yesterday is also some kind of the risk factor that well, works like the magnet and attracts the price to reach it. So that's actually what we have on the daily. On the lower time frame, on the 4 time frame chart, we do not have something really special. This is two levels. As you can see, yesterday performance totally agrees with the suggestion of the pattern that we discussed. You do not see it on the 4 time frame chart, but if you turn to the hourly chart, you could easily see the hand and shoulders that we talked about. In 1890, 1895 area has been touched, where theoretically we said that scalp bullish traders could consider taking the long position. So if you have done this, it's probably you should feel well right now with considering taking some targets. So in fact, as you could see, as the inner ABCD XOP targets 1908, as major of the hand and shoulders AB equals CD is around 1909, stands at the same area. So that will be the major targets that we have on the gold. And what's interesting that both targets agrees with the first fib level, 1908. So it means that this is the first level where we consider possible taking the short position. In general, we do not see any fast acceleration. We do not see any strong thrusting action. That's why maybe that might be the level where market could turn down again. If still it will be broken, the XOP target of the hand and shoulders, it's based on the same A, B, C bottom. It's XOP, this is OP. XOP will be around 1921, which in turn perfectly agrees with the next conference resistance, 1923. So as you can see, overall technical picture is very harmonic. So extensions corresponds to the level. So that is my favorite combinations and way of how market performs. This may make overall process of trading easier. So and it makes any attempts that we could take around the first level for position taking, it makes it a bit less risky, just because combination of the fib level and extensions, it's better just the fib level, and it creates solid resistance area which should at least at the first touch trigger the technical response. And once it will happen, we could move stops to the break-even. That makes chances for taking the position more or less attempt to make position makes or more or less not as risky as it might be. So that's what we have currently. So we have taken the long position, that's your target. If you're considering taking the short, this is the level that we intend to watch first and see what will happen.